All right, so now we're moving on from pure compounds to solutions. So what we mean by a solution in chemistry is just basically a homogeneous mixture. So for example, maybe something like a Gatorade would be a solution, right? So it's made out of more than one component. In the case of Gatorade, it's salt and sugar, and then water as well, but it looks the same throughout, right? It looks homogeneous. In general, whenever anything is in water, we call that aqueous. Right, so that just means that water is the solvent. And so we can have all kinds of different types of solutions, right? So let's take a look at some different solutions. And then we have two components of a solution. There's the solvent and then the solute. The solvent is the major component. And the solute is the minor component. Right, so the major component is what the thing is dissolved in, and the solute is the thing that you're dissolving. So for example, if we took a look at Gatorade, what is Gatorade? Well, Gatorade is mostly water, right? So that's the solvent. And then what else is it, or what's dissolved in that water? It's the solute. In this case, it'd be the salt and the sugar. Right, that's what the electrolytes are, or the salts. It's basically just salt and sugar water, very advanced. Your solutions don't always have to be liquid based. Anything can be a solution. So for example, air is a solution because it's a homogeneous mixture of multiple components. In this case, we're talking about gases. So for example, most of air is nitrogen gas. So that would be the solvent. And then the solute would be the other gases such as oxygen, argon, and other gases as well. But the major component is the nitrogen. And it doesn't even have to be the same phases in one another. We can have different phases in themselves. So for example, soda, you know how soda is fizzy. Well, think about what soda mostly is. It's water. So that's the solvent. What's the solute? There's multiple solutes. So for example, sugar, soda usually has a lot of sugar, but what makes it fizz is the carbon dioxide, which is actually in equilibrium as a gas. So you can see we can have water, which is a liquid, and carbon dioxide as a gas mixed together to form a solution.